Hello everybody, happy World Card Making Day. Today I'm going to be making a card using this adorable little stamp set called Sticky Friends by Heffy Doodle and the Really Rainbow paper pad by Fawn. So I'm going to stamp out the sentiment. I am going to heat emboss this, so I used my little embossing buddy to get rid of the stickiness around where I'm going to stamp the sentiment. The sentiment is absolutely adorable. It says, "Crafty friends stick together." So I did stamp that out a couple times. I'm going to use some clear embossing powder. I'm going to cover that a couple times. I'm going to heat that up, and then I'm going to work on coloring the cute little glue bottle that comes in this mini stamp set. So I'm going to use my Copic markers. I was going for a really soft palette with this card. So I'm only doing 2-color blending for all of the parts of the image, and then I'm going to use my blender pen or marker here to really soften that out so it's a really pretty pastel pink and blue. For the actual bottle, I'm going to use my Cool Gray 1 marker, and then I'm just going to simply blend that out. So Heffy Doodle recently sent me an envelope of goodies, so you'll see some more cards coming up over the next month or so using Heffy Doodle, so I wanted to thank them for that. And there is a giveaway with this card today, so if you stay till the end, you'll see the giveaway and how you can be entered. I'm just fussy cutting out this cute little image. I'm using my Memento black ink marker here just to line the edges so you can't see any imperfections in the cutting. I'm going to use some Distress Oxide ink here just to do a soft palette around the sentiment. I thought I wanted to use cracked pistachio, but it was too much of a greeny color. So I'm bringing in my peacock feathers, which matches the blue in the image a lot better. Just using a tiny amount there. And to blend that out, I came back in with a clean sponge that hadn't been used before, and I'm just blending out that blue so it's really soft. I'm going to pop this panel up using some fun foam. This panel I cut out with the Lawn Fawn stitch rectangle die. This is from the small set. There's a small and large. I will link all the products below if you're interested. So I just set that to the side while I stamped my sentiment on the inside of the card, and it says, "Because of all of the glue," which is absolutely hilarious. So I'm going to use this pink stripe pattern from the Really Rainbow collection. I cut that out using a scalloped rectangle die. This is from a Blueprints package, and if you've been watching my channel, you know it's one of my favorite dies. So I'm going to put the rectangle panel in the middle of that. I'm going to pop the little glue on some 3M foam tape, and then I'm going to bring in my white Nuvo drops to add some glue, or to make it look like glue, around the card. So I'm going to have this dripping out of the glue bottle and kind of collecting to the bottom of the sentiment, and this will finish off the card. So I'm giving away one of these little stamp sets. Heffy Doodle sent me 2, so I'm passing one on to you. All you have to do to enter is subscribe and leave a comment that says "Crafty Friends" in it, and feel free to share on social media. Thank you everyone for all of your support over the last little while, your comments, your likes. I really appreciate it. Have a great World Card Making Day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!